Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another week of the Daily Market Outlook video. As usual, we'll cover the usual pairs this week, the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs. But firstly, we'll jump over here to our economic calendar, have a bit of a look and see what we've got coming up this week. So no real news today to be worried about. Tuesday, we do have towards the middle of the New York session, we've got a little bit of red news on our USD pairs there. Thursday, sorry, at the start of the New York, we have unemployment claims coming out of the US. And then Friday, we have unemployment change and unemployment rate out of the CAD, which won't bother us. We should be pretty good for Friday as well. So basically, overall, not a very choppy week with news. Just need to be aware around those New York sessions. So basically, we'll have a look on the daily here and sort of see what we've got going. So at this point in time, we can see here, since sort of the start of the year, the Dixie has been sort of stuck in this range as such. Now, we see here that last month we had this pull down and it wicked out the low side, taking this equal low side liquidity here. And now we're starting to work back up. So basically what we're looking for here at the moment is, has this been a liquidity grab for us to continue to now go long from here? Or is this a liquidity sweep? We're going to come back here, work up. We may even look at taking the we're now come up into this sort of higher time frame area here, which we would expect to hold if we are going to see a continuation downwards from here. Okay, now because we had this pull down which failed to break the low, we pulled back up and then pulled down again. This here is not actually our structural high, it's this one up here. So we could actually see from currently where we're sitting, we could see a liquidity sweep above that high and then taking major liquidity off this high and then possibly going lower from there. So basically what I'm looking for at the moment is, are we going to see a bullish continuation right the way through? Are we going to see a rejection from this current area that we're in? Or are we going to go up, taking liquidity off this high here and then moving down lower? So basically that's what we're looking for at the moment. But on the 4 hour, we are bullish, and 15-minute, we are still bullish. So we need to continue to be looking that way. So we can see here, we had a pull down, flipping bearish. We broke this 4 hour structure here and flipped bearish, and then ultimately went back up, had a pull down, pushed back up, broke this high. So we've then gone and flipped back bullish again. So we need to continue to be looking bullish until a bearish narrative starts to take place. So basically at this point in time, we are looking today for a possible rise up, at least taking this high, possibly even moving towards this top of this range here. So jumping down on the 15-minute, we'll look for some entry, for some areas of interest. So we can see here we've had a low here. We've got a 15-minute imbalance through here. So we could see a pull down into that zone, filling this imbalanced price action before going long, taking the liquidity out of here as well. Or we see a push up, breaks the high, finds an internal retest and goes long from there. So basically that's the two outlays, or the two scenarios I'll be looking for today. Euro USD. So we saw Euro USD had a big pull down yesterday on Friday with NFP. We broke this low that we had here from the previous week. Is that week? Yeah, from last month. So we've come down, broken that low, but we've kept this previous low here. So if we go to the 4 hour, we can see here that we've broken this low, this last low here before this impulse up, but we've kept these lows here. But we aren't seeing a big rejection out of that area like we would expect, having taken liquidity lows here, filling orders in here. We would expect that we would have seen quite an aggressive play out of there to be going long. So basically for me at the moment, I feel like we're going to be aligning with the Dixie and just continuing short from here. So down on the 15-minute, let's go and have a look, see if we can find some areas of interest. So 15-minute is bearish at the moment, 4-hour is bearish. So we are looking for bearish trades. We've got two probabilities today. So for me, we could be looking for a push up, take an Asian high liquidity, pushing up into possibly an area around this area here to go short, or we see a break, a retest in around internal structure there, and then go short from that area there. So they're the two scenarios we could be looking for today. If that area there is to be taken and taken that high, then obviously we'd be looking for higher areas, whether it's going to come up and fill in this imbalance up here. That could be another scenario here, is if we do get this area break, then we look for this area to be tapped up here before looking to go short. GBP. So GU is pretty much the same thing. We see this little area here that's been taken out. We've come down, we've found support in this area here, and we've kind of worked our way away. Yesterday's price action we obviously saw come up, and now we've consolidated. As you can see here, we have filled that imbalance that we've marked out on the Euro and the Dixie pair yesterday. We filled that imbalance. So we could even see a possible drop from Dixie today. We've flipped bearish on our 15-minute time frame here, and we are starting to print a bearish structure. We do have a 4-hour bearish. So whether we see a slight pull up, taking Asian high liquidity before going low, or whether we see a pull down, retest into the Asia, and then go low from that area there, are the couple of scenarios that we could be looking for today. Righto, guys, thank you for jumping on today. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.